XM broker review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this broker XM. Now before we do that, make sure you watch the video till the end. That will avoid you to lose money by choosing the wrong platform. Okay, so if you're in the rush and if you can't watch the video till the end, because it's you who is doing your research, right? So if you end up signing up with the wrong broker, then you have higher chances of losing all the money which you will deposit. Okay, so that's one reason you need to watch the video till the end. Okay, and then I will also tell you which broker to go with exactly, or maybe I will give you a word of mouth. Word of mouth means that there is no online system which can prove you better than if somebody tells you that, you know what, I have been using it, you can go ahead and use it as well. That's called word of mouth. Okay, so if I tell you my personal experience, which brokers I have been using, that will be 10,000 times more effective than doing some online research. Okay, so go ahead and first of all subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and then I have a list of brokers which I personally recommend, I personally use. The first link says check out best prop firms and Forex brokers. So once you click on the link, you will be taken on the page here, and we will talk about these brokers in a moment after we have done the review for XM. Okay, so we will come and explain all this. These are the brokers which you need to go with, and should you go with XM or not, you will find by the end of the video. So we are on their main website, XM. Then we have trading and discover, and let's click on trading. Let's go to account types to start with. Normally you will have the same things like MT4, MT5. So if I go into trading again, so you see here MT4, MT5 platform you have. Then they have their own app, which doesn't really matter. So now we have account types. Let's see which account types do we have. So we have standard, ultra low shares account. This one is 10,000. This one here out of the picture. Okay, nobody will open $10,000 account with any broker. We know that, right? So it's this one is out of the picture. And then we have only two accounts left with a standard account and ultra low account. Both are having the minimum deposit of $5. Let's click on show more. And then you can trade Forex, metals and all that, which is something, normal. The leverage is 1:2,000, 1:2,000. Stop out is 20%. Stop out is something which I am totally not fine with. Okay. Yeah, normally brokers are supposed to give you stop out of 50%. Okay. So this broker is giving you leverage 1:1,000. That is okay. But the stop out level is 20%. I think it's supposed to be 50%. So I will not go with XM. That's my personal decision. Okay. And then here they don't charge you commission. You see, no commission, but they charge, I think, spreads. Again, I'm not fine with that. Okay. I'm fine in paying one-time commission, but my spread should be as little as zero. Okay. So if you see other reputable brokers, especially for Euro USD, we all know Euro USD always has zero spread. When you're paying commission, Euros USD will always have zero spread or maybe just one spread. Okay, so 0.8 spread here and then 1.6 spread here. So I don't go for spread brokers. I don't even know if this is an ECN broker or not. Okay, ECN broker is something in which the broker does not interfere with your trades, whereas some B-book brokers or some brokers, they will lose money when you make money. Okay, so there are some brokers who will trade against your trade, and if you win, they lose money, and that's the reason they cheat on you. Okay, so personally, so far looking at the account types, this broker is not something which I will personally go with. Fuck it, it's bullshit. I will not use XN. That's my personal opinion. Okay, second or more reasons why should I not be doing that. Before that, let's check the regulations. They say they are regulated somewhere in Mauritius. Okay, so where is it? It's right here, Mauritius. Okay, some FSC authority. I don't know where that is. This is the regulation, right? But we have their reviews, which are like pathetic, if you ask me honestly. Okay, see, no broker will have all the 5 stars, because if you only have 5 stars, then that means those are fake reviews. Okay, you're supposed to have 1 star as well, but that 1 star as long doesn't talk about not losing money. For example, you have XYZ Forex broker, you come on Trustpilot, you check the reviews for that broker, and in 1 star, people say, oh, high spread, technical problems, spread is high, this is wrong, that is wrong. But in those reviews, they never talk about any issues with withdrawals and deposits. Nobody complains that, oh, they did not receive their money when they try to withdraw. So as long you do not have any complaints regarding withdrawals and especially deposits, you can try that broker. Okay. So you come, you check reviews for that broker on Trustpilot, and if those reviews, those 1 star, doesn't say that people did not get the money. People might have other complaints. The customer service was poor. Nobody replies to them for 2 days, or whatever technical problem is going on. People can be frustrated about that. But if you see somebody telling specifically that they did not receive the money after withdrawal, that is a problem for me. Okay. So no one can make everyone happy, but if you don't get your withdrawals, that is a problem. I will fuck that broker. Okay. So let's see that see the reviews for the exam here, and we'll especially go for 1 star. Okay. So let's click on 1 star, which I already have done. So these are those 1 star reviews. Let me show this to you again. This is 1 hour ago, which we have from IN India. This is a review from Pritesh Mando, India. So it says not giving withdrawals. The trading account number is this. Pending withdrawal and has almost been 7 working days. I will not even read further. It is saying since last 7 days, this guy did not get the money from this broker. I will spit on this broker. I don't fucking care about this broker. Okay. We could have 1 star reviews about something else. I'm fine with that. But the moment you say that somebody withdrawn the money and they were not paid, and the withdrawal was not processed for more than 24, 48 hours, that broker is a bullshit for me. Okay. And then a second review says scam. They get my profit of $820. 3 hours ago, we have some reviews. My name is blah, 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 blah. So you can see these 1 star reviews are, most of them are saying about money. Okay. So as soon I see one red review, one star review, if I see in which somebody is saying they did not get their money back when they were drawn, that broker is on my dick. Fuck that broker. Okay. So for me, I will never use XM in my life. So over 1,000 withdrawals pending since 25 days. Account number is this. I'm telling you many times now, a broker could have worse reviews. But if those worse reviews do not talk about withdrawal issues, I can still try that broker once in my life. But the moment we have reviews in which people are complaining that they are not receiving their withdrawal, that broker can come and suck my dick. So exam is bullshit for me. I will not use it, even though they're a very old company. For example, they started exam.com in 1994, and their domain is valid until 2030. I don't fucking care. I don't fucking give bullshit. Okay, people are complaining that they have problem in withdrawing the money. That's all matters to me. If the bad reviews are about complaining that they did not receive the withdrawal, then fuck that broker. I don't care about them. And then their trading conditions are pathetic anyway. Okay, they have high spreads and they don't charge commission. Only $5 deposit. You can understand these are lame brokers. Okay. So, anyways, if you are looking for using exam, don't waste your time. Don't waste your money, rather. Okay. Don't use exam. If you want some trusted brokers, go below my video. Click on the first link. Come to this page here. Now, this is the broker, or you can see recommended, top 3 brokers I have given you. Let me explain the first one first, which is saying best prop firm in the world, okay? Prop firm means that you don't have to use your money, but you can go and buy the challenge, pass the challenge, show your skills that you can trade, then get the funded account, and then trade with somebody else's money. So if you want that best prop firm, go and check out the first link. Then we have UK clients, European clients, international clients, but no US, no Canada, okay? So if you are outside US and Canada and you need a top-notch broker, then you can check out first, second, third link. If you're in the UK, check out the first one. If you're in the Europe, check out the second link. If you are outside Europe and UK, check out the third link. And then Forex broker number 2. Again, if you're not in US, Canada, check out. So you can check out 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the recommended ones. Go and sign up with them. I have tested them. I use them personally. No problem with deposit withdrawals. That's all you need to know. You need to know if you will get your money back or not. That's all it matters in broking, in Forex trading and brokerage, okay? Anyways, if you're in US, Canada, check out the last one. Last one is an offshore broker, okay? So go ahead and choose something which is good for you. Money, we're talking about money. There's no point making money in numbers. The only point is, can you use that money to withdraw or not, okay? XM, Sounds like a bullshit to me. If you want reliable brokers, click on the first link below the video. Check out these brokers. I personally use them. I am giving you word of mouth. No reviews on the internet can replace human word of mouth. You have my backup. I'm backing you up. Go with these brokers, at least top 4, and you will be fine. If you will have any problems, I can chat with them I can chat with these brokers on your behalf. I can tell them you joined through me and everything will be fine. Okay, we can work together. So go and join through me if you need some help in the future as well. Subscribe, like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want some free signals, or you can join some Telegram. Go and check out these links as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.